How can I disable hardware overlays on my device?
Welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how you can disable hardware overlays on your device. Disabling hardware overlays can help in solving graphic rendering issues, improving app performance, and troubleshooting various display problems. Let's dive into the process.
What are hardware overlays?
Hardware overlays are a feature on Android devices that let an application directly control what is shown on the screen in terms of its colors. These are used to increase the efficiency of devices' screen rendering, which can help in achieving smoother animations and reducing the impact on the central processing unit, CPU. However, sometimes it may cause certain problems and it's necessary to disable it.
How to access developer options?
To disable hardware overlays, first, we need to access the developer options on your Android device. If you haven't enabled it yet, follow these steps. 1. Go to your device's settings. 2. Scroll down to About Phone. 3. Now look for the build number. This might be inside a Further System or Software Info section. 4. Tap the build number 7 times. You will see a message saying, "You are now a developer." Congratulations, you have now enabled the developer options.
How to disable hardware overlays?
Now, let's proceed to disable the hardware overlays. 1. Go back to the main settings menu. 2. Scroll down and you'll find the developer options. 3. Inside developer options, scroll down until you find the hardware accelerated rendering section. 4. Under this section, you'll see an option called Disable Hardware Overlays. 5. Tap on it to check the box. This means the hardware overlays are now disabled. Note, depending on your device model and Android version, the names and organization of these options can vary slightly. That's it. You've now successfully disabled hardware overlays on your Android device. We hope this video was helpful and will improve your user experience. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.